Hello, this is Unit 7, Day 7. The aim is I will be able to identify the names of species by using dichotomous keys, then create my own dichotomous key. So by the end of class, you're aiming for creating your own dichotomous key. Check out the criteria for success. As you see, I annotated just like you should, so we know exactly what needs to be done. And then one of the criteria for success boxes says analyze the pictures and take notes of their external features. Obviously, you can't see anything inside them. Obviously, you can't see things inside them, or sometimes you don't know exactly where they live or what they do. So what you're doing are analyzing the pictures. Hurry up. Are analyzing the pictures and you're making notes. So I did an example here for you. I put a circle and then an arrow saying dark fur. Here I put a circle and then wings. Here I put a circle and then fur. Okay, so that's what you can do. You're going to use this key in the back to identify the animals on page 1. Okay, and then after that, you're going to go on and create your own dichotomous key by looking at these directions. They're very specific, and they won't take long to read. So you're looking over them, and you're annotating, and you're getting some ideas. Okay, and then on the next page is when you're actually creating it. So the thing that I like to do first is gather characteristics of these organisms. For example, a shell, or let me see, wings, or a beak, right? So things that differentiate them and really stand out in their features. And then from there, I go to my steps from the list of characteristics, and you can make a list of characteristics here. Then you're going to do it there at the bottom. For example, I'm using the tortoise shell. So I put the animal has a shell. Go to step 2. And then on step 1B, I put the animal does not have a shell. Go to step 3. Okay, so that'll help break it down. This does not have to be your final draft. You can ask us for a piece of paper, and then we'll help you out there. The very last thing you're doing is part 3, and that means that's asking you to define binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature are these 2-word, let me see, is basically this, is are the names of the organisms. And binomial means that there's 2 names. Nomenclature is just how you say it and how you get to their name, basically. So you're going to Google what binomial nomenclature is, and then you're going to write your own definition using your own words in this bottom bracket. And then also you're going to explain why are the species named using binomial nomenclature. Instead of saying, oh, this is a lion or this is a bird, why do we use those scientific names? And that's what you're doing. Okay, so let us know if you need any help. Put a thumb up when you're done with anything and everything, and we'll help you. Also, if you need extra paper, we have extra paper if you want to make a little first draft of your dichotomous key.